21世紀をとうに迎えた今でさえ、私たちは水なしに生きることができません。豊かな水源があればこそ、人々は集い文化を生み出していく。何の不安もなく水が飲めるという幸福な事実が、この国の地域社会を作り出す源泉になっていたのですね。思えば私たちは水から事業を始めました。水、住まい、そしてエネルギー、日々の生活に欠かせないものを事業領域とする私たちにとって、事業を行うことは暮らしと向き合うこと。求められているのはコミュニティ全体をデザインする発想です。理想のないところに新しい歴史の創造はない。地域の数だけアンサーがある。
Let's look at the values Volute dewatering press provides. 1. Firstly, decentralized sludge dewatering being replaceable by decentralized sludge dewatering brings an end to needless and costly sludge transport. 2. Its very slow rotation ensures low operating costs. Volute consumes the same amount of energy when dewatering sludge from a 40,000 population equivalent wastewater treatment plant as your kettle. 3. A slowly rotating mechanism within the cylinder decreases the noise and vibration levels to a minimum, ensuring a comfortable work environment. The Volute technology does not need any foundations. Volute is designed for 24/7 operation. The presence of an operator is not required. Furthermore, the advanced technology can be adapted to a remote control and monitoring system so that the operator can check and control the operation of the entire system from anywhere. 4. Volute technology, namely Volute Duo, provides significantly longer service life thanks to its contactless design. It reliably dewaters difficult sludges with high fiber and inorganic content. 5. The wide application range is another benefit of Volute and Volute Duo. These units can be used in virtually all municipal and industrial applications. Volute has a wide range of product lines, so there is no oversized or undersized choice for any wastewater treatment plant, small or large. Let's have a look at Volute Duo technology. The smallest of this product line, the RVP241 model, can process 12 to 52 kilograms of dry solids per hour. Volute Duo introduces the concept of 2 counter-rotating screws in a single filtered drum. The screws break up and expose the sludge for thickening and dewatering in a single compact operation. The filter drum is constructed of a series of fixed and moving rings that create a mechanical self-cleaning screen to clear the fine gaps between the rings. The cylinder consists of 2 parts, a thickening and a dewatering zone. The low-speed rotating screws economically transfer the sludge through the filtered drum. While the sludge is continuously compressed, as it travels through a thickening and then dewatering zone for discharge, the filtrate easily leaves the filtered drum. Now, let's take a look at the sludge dewatering process flow from A to Z. The Loop Duo introduces an inline mixer to rapidly mix a flocculant and the inlet sludge before it enters the filter drum, which significantly improves flocculation quality and can reduce the polymer dosage by up to 20%. The adjustable flocculation tank provides sufficient maturation time for flocculation process completion. Well-flocculated sludge is carried forward to the filter drum. 2 counter-rotating screws inside the cylinder constantly push the sludge forward in the direction of the end plate for discharge. Because the moving rings are no longer in contact with the screw flights, thanks to the externally driven shaft, wear is dramatically reduced. The excess solids that can remain on the cylinder surface are washed off at regular intervals. The use of pressurized water is unnecessary, as standard tap water pressure is sufficient. In addition to the main filtrate outlet, there is an optional filtrate outlet separating the dewatering zone filtrate from the high quality filtrate coming from the thickening zone. The loop technology has been adopted globally and managed to disrupt the status quo of limited options and the complexity of sludge dewatering.
Choosing a sewer system is one of the most important decisions a community can make. It's a decision that will affect the community for decades. The Prelos liquid-only sewer system is the culmination of technologies Aurinco has been developing and refining since 1981. Prelos provides an efficient, affordable, and sustainable solution for communities and developments that need sewer infrastructure, whether it's new, an expansion, a repair, or a replacement system. The core of the system is the Prelos processor, an all-in-one complete unit that's easy to specify and install. It provides primary wastewater treatment and breaks down solids at the source, then pumps liquids to the wastewater plant for final treatment. The 1,000-gallon Prelos processor provides 1 to 4 days of emergency storage capacity. It's engineered to be easy to maintain, lightweight, watertight, and impact-resistant, with low power consumption. A single riser and lid provide easy access from the surface to all the components, making it simple to maintain with basic tools and equipment. Based on decades of proven sewer solutions, the patented Prelos processor tank stores and passively treats solid waste, reducing the volume of biosolids and final treatment costs. Prelos has a passively self-cleaning pump vault with a filter that can be accessed without removing the vault, pump, or discharge assembly, simplifying operation and maintenance while reducing costs. The processor also includes a lightweight effluent pump that's easily rebuildable and can last 25 years or more. Aurinco's click-tight wiring connection system easily connects the pumps and controls and offers simple serviceability. The Prelos sewer system uses small-diameter, pressurized, shallow-buried pipes that follow the contour of the land. Prelos main lines are often installed with directional boring, which doesn't require trenching. These main lines can be installed with minimal disturbance to the ecosystem and without disrupting existing businesses, roads, and utilities. The cost to make Prelos sewer main lines available for connections can be up to 90% less than the cost of gravity sewer main lines. Prelos reduces the life cycle costs of wastewater treatment systems because it provides primary treatment to the processor. And while it can be used with any wastewater treatment plant, Prelos works especially well with modular, decentralized treatment plants that can be located at any point in the collection system. Prelos main lines can be used to expand service in an existing sewer system or for new developments that need service most. This allows for deferred capital cost on slow build-out developments, since there's no cost to install or maintain processor units until customers connect.